Frank with Stonelink Property Management. We're here at 1175 Newport Avenue, Unit 2R, Pawtucket, Rhode Island. Second floor, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom apartment for rent, newly renovated. Start our video tour when you walk in. New tiled flooring, high ceilings, ceiling fan. Got big windows for plenty of natural light. Your countertop and cabinet space here. Refrigerator, electric stove, your bathroom here, shower, tub, and vanity. Off the kitchen, we got living room area here, extra closet space to my right. Off the living room, you got the bedroom here. Big enough for a queen, possibly a king set. I'd like to apply for 1175 Newport Avenue, 2R. Click that apply now button at the bottom of your screen. Each adult will fill out the application. It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.